Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best birdhouse cam on the market, the Fazoxo bird feeder with camera. If you're a bird lover or someone who enjoys observing nature up close, this smart bird feeder offers an incredible way to watch, identify, and record your backyard visitors in stunning detail. Right out of the box, the Fazoxo bird feeder stands out with its sleek navy blue design that fits perfectly in any garden, patio, or backyard setting. What really makes this product exceptional is its integration of advanced technology with a traditional bird feeder. It's equipped with a high-definition camera that automatically records full HD video whenever birds come to feed, giving you crystal-clear close-up footage of your feathered friends. Installation is a breeze, and the feeder works seamlessly with your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, allowing you to monitor your backyard birds remotely through a user-friendly mobile app. This app isn't just about watching. It offers real-time notifications whenever a bird approaches, so you never miss a moment. The camera has a wide 160-degree field of view, capturing all the action around the feeder, and the motion detection system triggers recording at the perfect time. One of the standout features is the AI-powered bird species identification. The feeder automatically recognizes common species such as northern cardinal, mourning dove, American robin, blue jay, and many others. This feature is fantastic for bird enthusiasts who want to learn more about the visitors they attract. It also allows for easy sharing of photos and videos across multiple devices, so the whole family can enjoy the experience no matter where they are. The feeder is thoughtfully designed to be weatherproof and rainproof, made from durable ABS and polycarbonate materials. It's built to last and withstand various outdoor conditions. Plus, it's solar-powered with a built-in battery, ensuring that the camera stays powered up without constant manual charging or battery replacements. Another interesting addition is the integrated microphone and speaker, which not only lets you hear the bird's natural calls but also allows for interactive experiences by playing sounds to engage with them. This feature adds a whole new dimension to backyard birdwatching, making it more immersive and personal. With a capacity of 1.3 liters, the feeder can hold enough birdseed for frequent visitors, and the easy refilled top design makes maintenance simple and convenient. You can mount it in various ways, on poles, stakes, trees, or even freestanding, giving you flexibility in placement depending on your yard setup. Whether you're a casual birdwatcher or an avid nature enthusiast, this smart bird feeder with camera doubles as a monitoring tool and a beautiful addition to your outdoor space. It's perfect for anyone who wants to combine technology with their love for wildlife and create lasting memories through high-quality videos and photos. That's it for today's review on the Fazoxo bird feeder with camera, the best birdhouse cam available now. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and detailed insights on the latest products. Thanks for watching.